SAPPHIRE now. Now, once again, we are connecting people, customers, and partners, both live and virtually, over the course of this whole event. Now, a community of business leaders connected by design, mobile, and in-memory technologies to help you realize your vision of the future for your organization.
In the keynote spotlight are the co-CEOs, Bill McDermott and Jim Hammond-Asambe. They will be addressing how SAP can enable your vision of 2015, now with innovative solutions that allow you to
Let's give it up for Mighty Max and his band. Mighty Max. In the marketplace. What do you think, Max? Are we ready to get the show started? All right, let's do it, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to talk about consumers. Because consumers are the essence of business in the moment. The sales systems, the internet is driving and capturing billions of data points per second. This is what we call big data. Enormous amounts of time and resources are spent on historical reports, often looking in the rearview mirror. And in most companies, believe it or not, more than 70% of the company's employees never even meet a customer. My goodness. The result, important correlations never get made. It's great to be back in Orlando. In a resource-constrained world, time is probably the most constrained resource of all. Not just real-time computing, but a way to combine the compression of data, the storing of data in columns, so that we can bring all information, all transactions in any size company into main memory of a relatively decent computer. This gives us two significant benefits to most of the hybrid approaches of competitors. First of all, it is much faster. Why? Because with this approach and the column store, we can take full advantage of parallel processing. And secondly, we can run on significantly cheaper hardware because we don't need the complexity of the hybrid solutions. It's a consumer play. We believe it's time to connect mobile devices and sensors to business processes and information. An SDK that enables SAP, our partners, and you, our customers, to extend SAP into mobile devices of any kind to build your own mobile experiences in a very, very efficient way. SAP will ship more than 40 mobile experiences already this year. You can see many of them at SAPPHIRE, and we will enable the ecosystem to build more than 1,000 mobile experiences on top of SAP, so you can extend the reach of your enterprise. Here are tools to help companies collaborate. This year at SAPPHIRE, we're introducing the first of a series of people-centric apps, Sales on Demand. It is designed to work the way salespeople work, so salespeople can be more successful in selling.
Nothing from marketing. He has come up with some good insights about my customer, HT Multimedia. And I would like to drill in more here. This looks like a nice opportunity. So let me check the customer details. I can drill into the information that I need in the 360 view of my customer. This keeps me up to date on everything that I need to do my job. I can see the latest updates here. No, look at that. I can see an invoice has been paid.
Right here, because I'm also connected to Sales on Demand. And so let's have a look on the application. Because I'm online all the time, and in this case I'm actually part of the team for this deal, I see immediately the invitation from Sven. I can
Talk about the present a lot. Let's talk about the future a bit. Jim, so what does the future, that look like the future? But that is now. So what does the future look like?
Well, you know, a great Danish poet actually said once, the only thing you can't predict is the future. But what we try to do at SAPPHIRE is to make a point of view about how does business look in 2015. And while it's hard to predict the future, we think it's very important that you make a point of view on where do you think it's going, because if you don't, you'll never get there. You need to prepare yourself already today. Clearly, we think the technologies, like we've talked about,
the first thing that I'd like to do, and I know everyone in the audience feels strongly about this, is thank you, Carmen, for a great job today. She's been unbelievable.